the bell icon on the YouTube app to never miss a video from SnG Comedy.
No, but I think now what we should really talk about is like the amazing plethora of options that all the young fucking kids have today. तो 14 साल की उम्र में clubbing कर रहे हैं.
Dude,
ठीक है, first time I entered a club, I was 17.
First of all, clubbing right now has just become for kids. If you're a teenager, you're in clubs.
Yeah, you don't want to hit on someone who has homework to submit the next day. No, I have to go.
Also, like the girls, the shorts they wear, I mean, my hand wouldn't fit in it. It's that tiny.
Don't put your hand in their skirts, na.
एक तो 15 साल की लड़की है वो.
Also, Karan, they're in school. What the fuck are you
Why
doing?
they
their skirts?
Friday night? Why? No, because it's like children. They're little children.
I'm with you. Don't worry about it.
But do you feel bad that like now they have like Starbucks and Coffee Bean and
I'll tell you
blah
what,
blah and
I don't know, man. We had to be more enterprising to have fun.
मतलब ये कट्टे पे बैठा था,
हाँ.
ठीक है. और अभी इन लोग
मैं सलियों पे चढ़ रहा था. That's how.
No, I'm saying I don't
was.
feel bad, and I'll tell you why. And Kautuk obviously has a counterpoint to this. I don't feel bad because I actually, like Aadar said, we used to be enterprising to be able to create our own time pass, but also gave us lots of options of things to do. Like we could read, we could play games, we could go down to play, we could play whatever. We used to go to birthday parties at terraces, which were a one-time event. आजकल रोज party करेगा तो क्या फायदा? Like it's fuck. You looked forward to a party.
To that
like,
one.
Or you went clubbing
to
once.
a party at 6 p.m. in the evening where you could see daylight.
Yeah.
वहाँ पे, हाँ.
just because you know all the girls would also be there and you would get to hang out and all of that shit.
Exactly.
Bombay. So yeah, Bombay used to have this open air theater in Kalanagar. It was a great experience. You've been there once, right? I saw a movie there where हम लोग ऐसा गाड़ी में बैठा था और सब लोग उधर एक ही चीज के लिए आते था. Like
food,
all open air.
Food.
The food was amazing.
Food and the sound quality.
The food and it was great. But it was so amazing to watch English movies on this like open पर्दा, because एक ही शो होता था दिन में जो 8:30 बजे start होता था and it would get over at whatever 11:30 or whatever. But fuck, I really miss those days. Kautuk, you had a point about this.
No, I didn't have a point about this. The thing I wanted to talk about was malls. Because like I remember the first mall that came up and everyone was super excited that now we have these air conditioned places where you can shop and stuff, and now it's just reduced to I mean I see so many people just hanging out, and the cool thing about malls is that you'll see people there's lots of people, okay, just roaming around, not a single shopping bag.
Not a single shop.
Nobody's buying anything.
The lighting दिखना है.
Shopping center has
in the 80s,
died.
America, the mall culture was let's go to the mall to hang out, to have whatever
Yeah.
mall.
No, but
and
America
everything.
was-
the first mall in Bombay was what? Crossroads, right? At
Yeah.
Bombay Center.
Yes.
First era,
Crossroads,
yeah.
And that had the dashing cars and
You know
all of that.
something? In Crossroads, they started charging. So you know what they would do? This was the amount of classism that they had.
Yeah.
You had to have a credit card before you could
come in.
enter.
Otherwise, they charged you an entry fee.
Because people used to just get inside to get onto the escalator.
And
Yeah.
AC.
They had never seen it before. It's
But
like-
like you
Centaur hotel में escalator.
dude, do you remember the first time McDonald's opened?
Yes, National
I was
College.
there.
के
I
पास.
was
my
on
one
your
of
God.
the first 100 people at. I still have that T-shirt. First 100 people at McDonald's.
You know, I think the
was
day it
there.
opened, for 3 years after that, my diet was French fries.
Yes.
Like
I
my
had
parents
not-
have gone mental because you're like, you just want to go to now it's like, "Arey, McDonald's guy."
Huh.
But then it would be
Order
like
kiya.
McDonald's.
Dude,
ja
yeah,
rahe
it
hain.
was like gourmet. Like I had, so my dad woke me up at like 6 in the morning. Ke chal. I'm like, क्या हो गया? Like, what is this bullshit that my father is waking me up at 6 in the morning on a Sunday?
I like how his dad was more excited than he was.
But his dad is. We know his dad.
Yeah,
so.
and my dad knew that I would go ballistic after I
Yeah.
had this. And I was like, kya? And that first bite was like,
Yeah, and or they had started with the Mac burger,
enlightenment.
which was the mutton burger, and then they stopped it.
Stopped
it.
Which I was very upset
also,
about.
like you were the coolest kid in school if your birthday was a McDonald's.
Yes.
Like,
Yeah.
Everybody
oh
had
my
that.
God.
It became standard. McDonald's
yeah.
birthday
But
became a
I
thing.
passed that. So for me, I had never had a birthday at McDonald's ever.
It's weird how McDonald's became a kids' place in India, right?
Yes.
It
is,
is,
yeah.
but not in America. It's not necessarily a kids' place. In
Not
India.
it's a
necessarily.
fat person.
No, like when it launched, it became a kids thing because it was more attractive.
Yeah.
You had
The
the
little
fucking
toys
toys,
and
you had
all
this and
Ronald
that.
McDonald
My
was there.
tennis coach was very critical of McDonald's. Like, क्या है 40 रुपए का पावड़ा?
No, I remember like in the opening parts, like there would be a lot of guys who would come, "अरे वो वड़ा पाव जैसा है ना, वो देना."
Oh,
You know, like they would always they would say that.
40 rupees, back then 40 rupees is a lot.
That's a lot.
$5 used to be the vada pav, like
Yeah.
outside.
Yeah.
So you're paying 48 times for the same shit. If
Yeah.
they didn't understand
But
that.
you know what? One thing I feel really sad about it, and obviously because you had a Parsi, you had space, but we didn't have that much space to go out and hang out in the ground and play.
That's still true.
Where? Like,
and the thing
No,
that
it's
annoys
worse. It's worse.
it's worse.
the
Like
thing
it
that
was less when we had.
All of us, when we were like 13 years old, we contributed and put one floodlight up on the roof of the building. Ke niche
Same,
light
to
hai.
play badminton,
Everybody
to
रात
play
को- रात
cricket.
को
You know, I read a
खेलने लगे
survey, and this is a really sad survey. I read a survey where it says that kids below the age of 13, I think this was 3 years ago, so below the age of 13, they don't know what it is to feel like when you get a gash on your knee.
Oh.
They don't know that, and if you put an anesthetic, an antiseptic on it, they don't know what it feels
that
like. They
red
don't
color wala.
that feel.
Iodine,
not mercury
iodine,
chrome,
iodine.
Not
No,
mercury
no,
chrome.
no.
This
This
is
is
that if
Dettol.
you put Dettol or something like that, if you put an antiseptic on it,
jalta hai.
that jalna feeling, they don't recognize.
I think
the
that's
gash.
my entire childhood.
Yeah.
क्योंकि we would play cricket on a concrete floor.
floor.
तो
school
उधर
में
भी
होता
अरे
था ना।
जॉन्टी रोड ड्राइव करेगा तो मैं भी करेगा but concrete branches.
and you had that big red
You would
blotch
be
was like a
cool.
mark of
वही,
respect.
वही,
ऐसा
हाँ.
लाल पूरा
You would
blotch
sort of
है
walk
तेरे
around
elbow
and be a
पे.
hero. अरे मैं actually I fell down yesterday. I was
Dude, we used to
playing
play
my
cricket on
dive.
the baddie court.
Yeah.
And everyone I know is now with this. He plays cricket on a tennis court.
Yeah.
And you
don't have fucking ground, what do you do?
your
Yeah,
arms
baat
are.
padti thi, bro. Of course. Another very important, I think, one last nostalgic thing was SL World and Fantasyland.
Yes.
Fantasyland.
Yes.
Fantasyland was opposite
Okay,
my
now we
house,
should.
guys.
SL वर्ल्ड में रहूंगा मैं, घर नहीं जाऊंगा मैं, स्कूल को भूला मैं, टीचर को भूला, कितना बड़ा है देखो मेरा झूला, चिल्ला चिल्ला के दम मेरा फूला. SL वर्ल्ड में रहूंगा मैं, घर नहीं जाऊंगा
I've sung
मैं.
this with Malika Dua once. I'm
And
pretty
then they
sure
say,
we've done this in a podcast.
भूल भुलैया में खोया है पाटकर, तो हमारा नेबर वाज पाटकर.
So he was cool.
Hilarious.
What was really cool, Fantasyland was opposite my house, okay? So I used to, the only question I've been, how many times you've been to Fantasyland? I've been to Fantasyland 4 times in my entire life.
Yeah.
It was opposite
I've
my
been
I
to
mean,
house.
if you
SL World
have
twice.
easy access, you
Never
tend
go.
to go to it.
Yeah, but
It's on occasion, right?
Yeah.
Like,
Then you had Water Kingdom. Water Kingdom
I
was
was just
big
gonna-
amusement
just gonna
park,
talk about it.
water park where you used to go, and they used to have this thing called the lazy river. ठीक है, it was all across Water Kingdom. They had a river जिसमें पानी था.
Yeah.
तो उसपे you would just see like old uncles
Sitting on a float.
as if sitting on a float with their paunch out
Like-
in that
like an
dirty brown
iceberg
color
going down
chutney,
the
and
river,
they just
yeah.
like going. I thought उसने आपको गोली मार गिव अप कर दिया है. अभी मिस्टिक रिवर में वो
मैंने अपने बच्चे को
जा रहा है.
स्लाइड पे छोड़ दिया है. This is my one little moment of
Like
peace.
it was as fun as it was. The more you start going, you realize how disgusting it is because this has happened. I've seen it with my eyes.
Guys
This kid
pissing.
is crying, and he's like, "Mom, से क्या हुआ क्या होने? सुसु यहाँ करना." And I was about to go into the thing और मैंने ऐसा देखा करना मतलब वो कोने में लेके जाके छुपा के अपने बच्चे से सुसु करा रही है यार पानी में. I'm like, you know what, this is not happening.
Yeah.
Ain't going to
SL
Water
World
Kingdom.
जाऊंगा मैं.
But today, all the options that kids have to hang out
Are all
today-
out.
No, I mean,
Yeah.
not just that. I think they're all passive. They're all like made to.
They're
just
all on your phone.
either for. I mean, they're basically let's sit down and hang out. There's no like activity.
Let's sit down and not hang out.
You know,
More like-
And
And
there's
then-
very organized activity कि अभी ये कराटे खेलने जाएगा.
Karate
अभी ये खेलने जाएगा.
And I think
कराटे
wait.
खेलने जाता है. Actual कराटे नहीं हो
I
रहा.
want to make one more thing addition to this. I was just thinking about this recently that I think every generation thinks that the generation coming up below them is being raised like as
Differently.
pussies. Yeah,
Yeah.
like in a sense like I mean we used to play in like like you said like we have the experience of the gash and everything.
Yeah, like your grandfather
No, like
fought
parents-
for independence.
No, the
So
point.
I
Wait,
fought
wait,
for
wait,
independence.
wait. Guys, hold on. So the thing I'm saying is that now in my building, every kid has one like one what's it called? The minder with them. What's
The
what's
Aya.
Aya. They have one Aya with them. Every kid, all of them.
Wow.
Yeah, and like
No, but they must be really small kids. They're not 14 and with a
no, not
governess.
14, but like we didn't even have that. Is the point I'm trying to
No,
make.
I'm saying when we
safety
went
issue,
down
it's a
to
safety
play, we
issue
were
more
old
than
enough to play without ayas. Like it
नहीं,
was.
but I know kids in my building who have a better relationship with their drivers than their mother.
Yeah.
Like उसका पूरा driver के साथ
That's
पूरा
just
time
sad.
निकलता है. Yeah.
Yeah.
No, that's not changed also. Ayas and like the maids, they have a better. Even with when we were kids, our maids were way closer to the kids than the parents were.
It is really going to be interesting to see like 40 years later.
What
Anyway,
is
we don't
the-
have
One-
space.
one-
Where the
What do you
fuck are people going to hang out? Like
One
or play
dorky thing
or,
can
you
I
know?
mention that I really miss, and I think Kautuk is the only one who will think is libraries.
Libraries.
Circulating libraries.
Yeah, Shimaru.
Circulating libraries, not just movies.
no, we had- we had
even,
Yeah,
even
Arey, Shimaru had a book thing as well.
library.
Yeah, yeah.
So I'm
Read
saying
sure.
circulating libraries was such a thing where you could literally, take a book, return it.
Dude,
into
we had
books and
Dinesh
stuff.
library next to our house.
Yeah.
और उधर the girl I used to like would go to read. तो मैं भी एक बार उसको follow किया. अभी मैं fuck all था reading में. तो वो उधर जाके भारी कुछ novel पढ़ रही है. और मैं आजू बाजू से घूम रहा हूँ और मैं सबका वो पढ़ लेता था पहले ही कि क्या है
Synopsis.
Have you read this? You know, this has this. Have you read it? Yeah, I read it. Oh, very good, very good. मैं लेके क्या गया घर पे? Goosebumps. Style Goosebumps. वो लेके जाके.
But you know, like so much of your life has been shaped by some girl doing something.
Your motivations are very limited.
No. Why? No, but like girls
Like
were
when Diwali
part of
kiya,
it,
just
yeah, come on.
primary motivation. I
You're
agree.
fucking
with
younger.
Varun, yeah.
Ghanta,
No, but
I used
you
to read sure. I used to get books. I used to even read Archie's when I was a kid.
We used to then all the guys would go and get all the foreign magazines that we used to have because they slightly started also like Hustler magazine,
Oh.
Debonair, Playboy, Debonair. So
Debonair.
that would be a separate section
Fantasy.
behind the main section.
That's not a hangout. That's in a way it is a hangout.
It is hangout. Four dudes going through Hustler and
Four
there.
dudes?
Yeah, for half an hour that's hanging out.
Yeah.
You know what else annoys me is that we now have like we don't have like public places to play in, but you
Yeah.
have Nana Nani parks.
Yeah.
I'm like, dude, Nana Nanis don't need a park; they need a bench. I mean, just make it a pota puti park.
नाना बनानी पार्क में नाना नानी चल रहे होते हैं और बेंच पे कपल्स आर मेकिंग
Making out.
Yeah, make it pota poti park.
Which
Like,
also
is my
reminds me,
point.
Juhu Garden का वो aeroplane garden.
Kitna? Oh
Kitna
man,
खेला
I
है
think
वो.
because my nani used to stay in the lane right opposite,
Yeah.
so I have just vicariously lived through that plane. अरे हाँ मैं अभी US मेरा अभी तक वीजा नहीं आया
We were curious, what's inside the plane?
Exactly.
There's nothing. There's
And then
really
when you
shit.
get, I actually
the
remember
shoe
asking my
garden
parents कि plane में क्या 8 ही सीट होता है क्योंकि उसके अंदर 8 सीट था.
No, have you ever like when I was young they used to allow this, and I don't know if any of you all have had this.
Not inside
experience,
the cockpit.
Where yes, allowed inside the cockpit. You
Yeah,
just
yeah.
had to write on the boarding pass or whatever, and so you just had to write on the boarding pass. I am whatever. My name is this. I want to be inside the cockpit, and they would
In a
let you
real
in.
plane?
In a real plane while you were flying.
Dude, also in the real plane back in the day, East West Airlines had. This is your section, right? One side was non-smoking, one
Yeah,
side was smoking.
Yes.
It was next to you. You could. They were smoking.
So you are smoking into the non-smoking,
Yeah.
but तू अलग side
उधर
पे
एक
था.
देख ना एक तू ऐसा पुराना प्लेन में जाएगा ना इधर सिल्वर कलर का एक चीज
Ashtray.
रहेगा वो एस्ट्रे था
oh.
सो इट आई एम सेइंग दिस कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ एक्चुअली ओनली वंस हैव बीन लकी इनफ टू बी इन द कॉकपिट ड्यूरिंग टेकिंग ऑफ एंड लैंडिंग टेकिंग ऑफ और लैंडिंग ओनली वंस अदरवाइज दे ओनली लेट यू इन वंस द प्लेन टेक्स ऑफ you have to submit your boarding pass to the aerostess. She will go and give it to the pilot, and then she will tell you when the pilot is ready to call you.
Okay, quickly.
Is the pilot going? नहीं ये नहीं चाहिए.
Guys,
No,
quickly
just
before.
what's your name? How old are you?
Okay, quickly before we wrap up, what is your most memorable hangout space outside your school or college? We'll give that person a shout out.
Hilltop ice creams in St. Peter's, Panchgani, where when we used to be allowed to go to the bazaar,
Yeah.
which was once a month or something, we used to go to this one place that used to do Hilltop ice cream, and we used to do a Gulkhand double scoop ice cream.
Disgusting. Kautuk?
I really this is my favorite hangout spot ever was when I was in HR college. There's an Oxford bookstore next to HR
Yes.
college, and they have a cha bar there. It's the best.
Chaba.
Chaba.
Yeah,
But
cha
Kira,
bar.
now
was
you're
amazing.
really young,
outside
Kautuk.
outside
That's
of
awesome.
the college.
11 years.
There were a bunch of places.
Dheeraj. Anybody who's been to Mitify?
Yeah.
Yeah.
or
But there
national-
was another guy who
NM.
had a tiny ठेला जो ऐसे खड़ा किया उसमें एक छतरी है and it was the sandwich वाला.
Sandwich. No, who he was. By the way, this guy is very popular. His name was Gigolo.
Jiglo.
Gigolo Sandwich. Gigolo Sandwich.
excited Aadar is,
Jiglo taught me TILF, which was teacher.
Teacher I like to fuck.
Oh my
yeah.
God.
He taught
Okay.
me GILF.
I have never heard of.
Grandma. मैं बोला भाई तेरे को करना है मेरे को नहीं.
I have
grandma को.
never heard
Name
the
was
term
Giglo,
TILF till
Yeah.
today.
Giglo, and he has given dating/girl advice to every person who's gone to Metibai or NM college and has eaten a sandwich
So
at his thela.
his name of his shop is Giglo, or the person?
He called, "Arey Giglo कैसा मस्त तू कैसा?" It was that. Like
Wow.
people called him
Sandwich.
Giglo. I don't know his real name, but Giglo.
Wow.
Giglo sandwich wala.
So Varun, what was yours?
Mine was right outside Jain College. We had a RM milk ka
Yes,
stand.
I know that
But
because
we
I went to
always
Jain.
used it to cover and smoke.
Jain.
So that was one, and little ahead was cups and cones.
Cups and Konda ice cream.
Ice cream place right outside Jain.
Which
We
is
spent
now
a lot of
Naturals.
time just and also really weird. But right outside Churchgate Station, there was this place called Satkar.
Satkar.
Satkar still there.
Yeah,
also.
yeah.
Satkar change. We used to hang out a lot at Satkar
What
and
were you
eat.
doing at Satkar? Just idli
अभी
vada.
जब भूख लगा है इडली वड़ा खाना है
Very
वो
reliable.
Yeah, but the
Very,
Jain
like-
canteen was amazing. Like
Yeah,
keema
yeah,
paona
of
was.
course.
So was HR.
Jain Canteen has this one
better.
guy who's been the
Raju
canteen
Sandhu.
guy for 40 years.
I don't know if he's there.
And his claim to fame
Is keema pav.
मैं तेरे पहले जॉन अब्राहम को भी खाना दिया. John Abraham was from
The
Jain
canteen guy
College.
is slightly like.
तो ही स्टैंड शो में आ रहा है. मैं तब से जब से जॉन इधर आता था जॉन खाता था जॉन को ये दिया जॉन को वो दिया जॉन
You
ये
know what HR did? HR had outside HR college there was a guy who used to sell Chinese. Okay.
बटरफ्लाई ना चाइनीज
No,
bean.
no, no. So all the kids from HR college used to go outside and have the Chinese. So they realized कि कोई अंदर खा रहा नहीं है So they told the guy, "आप अंदर आ जाओ."
Andar aa jao. Yeah, butterfly Chinese.
Yeah, so Raju is Raju.
Karan,
He's run by Raju.
So in Dallas, what was it like?
We used to go to them steak houses and we
No,
got to go.
this is back. I was much older then. So outside-
Jamna Bhai.
Yeah, Jamna Bhai.
Jamna Bhai.
There's a ground, right? And across
Bhailal Patel.
Yeah. Bhailal Patel के सामने there is a Sakari Bhandar.
My mother
I
used to
could take me never there. hear the word Sakari Bhandar come out of your
Sakari.
mouth.
But listen to it.
Sakari
There's a
Bhandar. Amazing.
there's a Frankie
Frankie,
shop.
dude,
Alright,
best.
listen. So here's the thing. So only the cool kids went to the Frankie shop.
Yeah.
Because, okay, Jamna Bhai is mostly Gujarati, so mostly vegetarian. So we were like a little fried because there's no non-veg food.
Non-veg
in the
at
canteen.
all, yeah.
So all the Panjus were at the Frankie shop.
But I was a
Frankie.
pioneer because in an entirely Guju dominated area,
Yeah.
the only place where you got something
Yeah.
non-vegetarian was
Tips
this Frankie.
Frankie.
I used to go
And
with
you
my
know who
mother
else used to like
shopping
this
just
Frankie?
because I would get that one Frankie at the
Who
end.
else I saw at the Frankie wala?
John
Vivek
Abraham.
Oberoi.
No, but
Once
Tips
we're about
Frankie
to
was
go, and
amazing,
used to
dude.
go
वो
and
extra
दबे
vinegar और onion के साथ it was
अरे I would say
fucking
anda roti bhi
Dude, it's giving this. My mouth has started watering.
Let's go get a Frankie.
Let's go get
Yeah,
it. On that note,
On that.
those were our favorite hangout spots growing up and currently. Yeah, you have hangout spots, so go hang out.
Just tell us if we were wrong and you have hangout spots that are amazing even now.
and other hangout spots, just write in the comment section below so people can go and check those
Actually,
hangout there.
what's interesting to me is manufactured hanging spots like Motus, for example. It's not really
Or a
hanging spot.
katta.
Or a katta.
Yeah.
Like where you just have to make do with what you're given. You know?
Kanta Sadan.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you guys. See you.
Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and see you again next week.
Bye bye guys. See you
Tada,
soon.
bye bye.
Enjoy.